Hello my gorgeous friends on the internet. In this video, you're gonna learn how to manage state with React Redux Toolkit in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. First of all, install these two packages, the React Redux Toolkit and React Redux. Then create initial state. You should make these changes on reducer.js. This is the initial state which assign your values when your app is rendered initially. Then after create a function and assign that initial state to a state and pass action as a prop. In here you should create case for each value change in the switch case and assign payload for state. Then we have to create our constants. String value of these should match with case name of our reducer. In store folder, create file called index.js. Import configure in store index, then import our reducer. Create constant called store and pass our user reducer into reducer object in configure store. You can pass as many as reducers for store according to your needs. Then export store. In main.js, import provider from React Redux and import our store, wrapper our app from the provider and provide store as our store. Now configuration part is over. Now we're gonna use our configured reducer in our real app. First of all, you have to import use dispatch and use select from the React Redux and our constant from file which we created before. Then create constant called dispatch and use dispatch hook. Then we create user data and assign user selector, and from that internal function callback function we extract our user data. By using use selector, you can get any value stored before in our Redux store. Then we destructure our user data. Here we can extract name, email and age from use data which we declared before. And we have regular HTML form element which we have input, on change and value assigned for each input. And we use common handle on change function for all three inputs. In this function, we get name and value extracted from the event.target. Then we have get type. From the type, according to value, we choose the correct type and assign to the dispatch type. The dispatch type is must equal to the constant value of which we declared before. In here, and we set our payload as the value of the input, and you can see that from the get type object by the name we assign each type for our dispatch. This is very simple question and you can use this method in anywhere in the JavaScript. Okay, then we have clear function. We just have to pass the type because we don't have any payload for clear the functions. Let's take a look at our folder structure. This is our application we made before and you can see it's very simple, and when we change the value it's changed in real time, and when we clear the form it's clear the value as we expected. Now we go to inspect window from our browser control, then go to Redux in our browser. If you don't have this feature, you can install Redux Developer Kit from the Google Chrome extension pack. In here you can see each state change of our reducers and history of our reducers, as well as you can see the change of data in real time. Let's get closer look at the reducer in right panel in Chrome. You can see the state update history and how data change over the time in your application. Also can check our data in different formats such as our tree view as well as the raw data in JSON format. Next time you don't have to work with console logs, you can use this for debug your reducer states in your application. You can find source code link in below description, and don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends. See you next time.